Okay, good day guys. So, welcome sa Networking Appliances and Functionality Exercises. Okay, so ang ating task ngayon is to create an OpenVPN remote access server. So, step 1, dito ulit tayo. Dito tayo. On the taskbar, select Microsoft Edge. Ano sabi dito? Select Microsoft Edge. So, pindutin natin si Microsoft Edge. Okay? And then, in Microsoft Edge, type the following into the URL field. So, ito yun guys. Sa URL field, type down natin 192.168.0.5 and then press enter. Okay? So, admin password. Yeah. Para ka lang din nag-ano ng inyong wifi. Admin password. Then, click sign in. Okay. So, if the same password pop-up appears, select never. Okay? Not now lang. Alright. Just accept this. Close. Okay? In the Citizens toolbar, click the VPN drop down and select Open VPN. VPN and Open VPN. Okay, step 5 on the servers page, select the Wizards tab. In Wizards tab. On the Open VPN remote access server setup page, select next. Okay. Okay. On the Add Certificate Authority, saan yan? Page, under the Create a New Certificate Authority, which is ito, type the following into the descriptive name field. Okay. So, type doon natin tong net plus space CA. Okay. Step 8, sa country code, ang ilalagay natin daw ay, nasan eh? Bilis naman. Yan. Country code, ang ilalagay natin ay US. Okay? And then sa state or province, Colorado. Colorado. Yan. Step 10, sa city, Colorado Springs. And sa 11, sa organization, ACIP Lab. Step 12, organizational unit, admin. And sabi dito, add new CA. Click daw natin yan. Okay. Step 14 natin. Sa descriptive name, ang itatype daw natin sa kanya is net plus SRVR or server cert. Okay. And Scroll down tayo. Click down natin yung create new certificate. Okay. Sa description field, ang ilalagay daw natin is remote users. Okay. And sa server setup page, dito sa may endpoint configuration pane, oops, sumobra tayo. Which is ito. Select the drop-down menu. And then, pipiliin natin yung TCP, IPv4, and ito. Ayan. And IPv6 on all interfaces mode tayo. Okay? Okay. Now, dito naman tayo sa server setup, sa tunnel settings. So, sa baba lang yan sa tunnel settings. Nandun. Yan. Dito sa IPv4 tunnel network, ang type daw natin is 10.0.0.99.0/24. And then sa server setup, pinit na nga lang natin. After nun, pinitin natin yung next. Okay. So, sa firewall rule configuration page, dito sa may traffic from clients to server, no, isa-select lang natin yung checkbox dito sa firewall rule. So, pindutin natin to. And, after nun, next. Click natin yung next. Alright. Okay. Sa finish page dito, wala tayo ibang gagawin dito kundi i-click ang finish. Okay. And sa task number 2 natin, gagawa tayo ng VPN user. Okay. So, kailangan i-ensure natin na connected pa rin tayo sa server. No, sa Microsoft Edge natin na browser, nag-open siya sa pfSense page. So, dito sa toolbar, click the system drop. Click the system drop down. Okay. And select user manager. Ay. User manager. And sa step 2 natin, sa users page, select add. And step 3 natin sa edit page, user properties. Sa username field, lalagay natin si Gary. Ayan, diyan si Gary V. Okay. And then sa step 4 natin, syempre, ang sunod natin gagawin is yung password natin, yung default password. And sa full name, Gary user. Wait, yung confirm password pala. Syempre, kailangan natin i-confirm yun. So, dun ulit, sa certificate, in the user properties, select the checkbox in the certificate. Oy, sumobra. Sumobra tayo. Okay? And ilagay lang natin sa descriptive name is cert for Gary. And then, after nun, save. Okay. Observe the user Gary has been added. Makikita natin, no? Nalagay na si Gary user. I-nag na muna natin. So, yung next natin gagawin is i-close yung Microsoft Edge. Okay. On to the next. Ating first task is to export a VPN user package. So again, sa taskbar natin, andito si Microsoft Edge. Select natin siya. And then sa URL natin, sa URL field, i-type natin yung 192.168.0.5. Press enter. And then, sa username, syempre yung username natin na default, admin, tapos password. Enter. Now, okay. Okay, dito sa ano natin, sabi dito, click the system drop-down and select package manager. So, nasan ba yun? So, dito sa system, and then package manager. Dito sa install package, select natin yung available packages. At yun. Now, so, scroll down natin hanggang sa makita natin yung OpenVPN client. So, na yun. Na row. Hanapin natin siya, guys. Hanapin natin. Yun. Uy. Teka lang. Nawala. Guys, ha. Oops, teka lang guys. Tingnan natin ang paraan to. Install. Yun. Hinahanap pa kasi natin siya guys. And select confirm. Okay, sa ating step 8, once the package is successfully completed, click the VPN, drop down. Okay, nag-success na siya. VPN, drop down to open VPN. Okay, sa servers, click natin yung client export tab. Sa client export tab, the OpenVPN clients. Okay. Okay. Select the current Windows installer. Current Windows installer 64 MB. More actions. If on the make sure you trust, select the down arrow next to show more. And pindutin natin keep anyway. Sabi. Okay. Okay, let's close the Microsoft Edge. And for our task number 2, punta tayo sa File Explorer. And then, click natin si this PC. And then, Downloads. Then, double-click natin tong OpenVPN na file. Oops. Yun. Na-double. Close natin yung isa. Okay. So, sa taskbar, ito na, open. Sabi dito, pindutin natin yung install now. Okay. So, while waiting, so, pinutin lang natin yung close. Okay. So, in the OpenVPN, iset to, close, install, close. So, okay lang natin ito. In the taskbar, configuration setup, install, close. Okay. So, nagawa na natin yan. Close the File Explorer window. Okay. Up to the next. So, connect to the OpenVPN server. So, in the desktop tray, ito. Okay. Yun. Select connect. Then, input natin yung username, Gary. And then, wait lang. Password. Click natin yung OK. So, observe natin yung OpenVPN for Windows na nag-indicate na yung VPN has been created. Okay. Is okay na siya. Task number 2. Inspect VPN status and firewall rules. So, sa taskbar, select natin itong Microsoft Edge. And then, sa Microsoft Edge, lagay natin sa URL field 192.168.0.5. And then, press enter. Okay. And then, ilagay ulit natin yung ating default admin, password, and then enter. Enter or click the sign in. Siyempre, not-down natin to. Okay. Dito sa ating, click natin yung status. Drop down, okay? And select natin yung, oops. OpenVPN. Okay, next. Click natin yung firewall. Drop down, select natin yung rules. Okay. So, mapapansin natin, yung OpenVPN rule configured during the creation of the OpenVPN remote access server. So, this rule allows connections from the one on port TCP 1194. Additionally, note that a rule allowing communication with pfSense via ports 80 and 22 has also been created. So, this allows connection with the pfSense HTTP management console and SSH. So our next step is to close the Microsoft Edge. Okay, on to the next. Okay.